Once again, hello from Horne Auto Group. My name's Norm Grunberg. Welcome, and we're going to talk about check engine lights and the scan tools and the myths and mysteries of check engine lights. We're going to take the hidden fear out of it and bring you into the comfort zone, if you will, when you see the check engine lights come on in your car and their particular meanings. The most common is your check engine light comes on, stays on steady, no matter how many times you start your vehicle. That is a clear indication that there is an emissions related concern that isn't going to make your car fail and leave you stranded on the side of the road. If you're driving down the highway and that check engine light comes on, you can continue driving to a safe location and find out what's going on. If that check engine light starts to flash on you, that is a more critical stage, and that's going to require almost immediate attention. A lot of times you'll drive up to an independent parts shop, they'll see a particular code, a 300 will take, for example, oh, you need spark plug. Not true at all. A PO300 is a general code. They are not telling you something specific. A difference I have here is if you have a P300, that is a generalization. You can have one of 8 of your cylinders, if you have an 8-cylinder vehicle, having an issue, whether it's an injector, a spark plug, a compression, intake, or an item of that nature. So you have to follow it closely. Just because it says PO300 doesn't mean that you necessarily have spark plugs. You could have a PO300 control circuit, a PO300 ground circuit, and those make big differences, whether it's just a disconnected connector, a bad wire, something of that nature. So you'll go and spend, the money to have spark plugs put into your vehicle, the labor and the parts, walk away with a $400 bill, and you still have the same code because it was a 10-cent repair on a wire. Choice is yours of where you want to go. Ultimately, in the long run, you'll do far better when you bring the vehicle to a dealer because we have your best interest, and we're going to get to the details. I'm Norm Grunberg, Master Tech with Horne Auto Center. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, or share at Horne Auto Center, the Chevy store that saves you more.